What is going on, everybody? Welcome to this video where we talk about how to make thousands of dollars making your own digital courses. Now, this is going to be a super exciting video, so stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Marissa Romero, and on this channel, what you can expect is all things make money online. And every day, I'm giving tips and tricks on how to build your online business. Everything from e-commerce to affiliate marketing, sales funnels, email marketing, all that great stuff. There's a little bit for everybody, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer. And I'm super excited today to go ahead and present to you guys this topic on digital courses. So if you like this video at all, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now, today's keyword for you guys is boss. So go ahead in the comments, type in boss if you guys are either an aspiring online entrepreneur or you are an online entrepreneur and getting ready to crush it. I want you guys to go ahead and comment boss. I got some exciting content in this video for you guys today that might inspire you. Now, so what I wanted to talk about in this video is kind of give you guys a roadmap to how you can start your own digital course. Now, a lot of you guys may still be beginners and not really have, a full-time online business yet, but I want you to be thinking about what you love, what your passions are, what your expertises are, because the end game, once you start e-commerce, once you start affiliate marketing, CPA, once you become an expert at something and, establish a name for yourself and build up a brand and all that great stuff, people are going to ask for your mentorship. People are going to ask you for help. And the best way to help a lot of people at once and to make it profitable is to build your own digital course. Now, what that typically looks like for people in the online space that have their own online businesses are, a membership site that has several tutorial videos breaking down a topic step by step on how to do something. So the reason digital courses are a great business model is because they're scalable. You're not teaching this stuff over and over and over like in a classroom. You're mapping out what you want to say, teaching a skill, and it's just going to go. Like, a bunch of people are going to consume the content, they're going to pay for it, and it's pretty cool because there could either be two types of digital courses you sell. There could be one where you have monthly recurring commissions for a product, so something per month, like let's say you charge $19.99 to be a part of a membership form, where people go online, access your course, and they pay $20 a month to access your content. Okay, so step one, all right? You gotta make sure you are an expert in the field because, it may sound obvious, and I mentioned it again once in this video, but you gotta be an expert in the field, because if you're not an expert, it means you don't love the topic, and if you don't love the topic, you're not gonna wanna teach on it, because you don't have a passion for it. Because when you create a course, it takes lots of time and hours to put in mapping out the course. So you have to be an expert also because you need to have results to leverage. Why are people going to listen to you in the first place if you don't have results and that expertise? It's going to be a little bit hard to sell. So my advice for you is to get the results yourself, become an expert, and make sure you have all the knowledge dialed in on that particular subject, okay? So step two, once you're, well developed in your business and you're ready to move on to the next step of building a membership site, you have to map out the content and really think it through and really think about the struggles you went through when you were learning this topic, how you built your business. Because whatever it is you're teaching, let's say you're teaching e-commerce, right? There's no one way to teach e-commerce. There's lots of different ways. But what's special about you and your brand in your course is that you are going to show people your way and what worked for you, because that is what you got you to your success. So you're going to map out the content. So what are you going to include in your course? Like, what kind of modules are you going to have? What kind of lessons? Okay, subcategories. Um, Subcategories. Are you going to have bonuses at the end? Are you going to, have different, bonuses could include things like maybe you have webinars that you've recorded before with other students that are valuable. Maybe you've had interviews done with other influencers in your niche. These could all be bonuses. Are you going to have an area where people can comment? Okay, comment. Well, these are all the things you have to consider when you're mapping out your content. Now, it takes time, it takes a lot of hours, you've got to be patient, but this is the foundation of your course, and you want to spend as much time on that as you can, because the rest of the process will be very, very smooth, okay? So step 3 is you want to make sure you have a platform that is going to be compatible with what you want to have. So a popular platform that people start with is ClickFunnels, so they're able to host membership sites. Also, a platform called Kartra. I use Kartra. It's an email marketing platform, sales funnels, and also hosts membership sites. And I love Kartra because it has the following features. You're able to upload videos, okay? You're able to upload links and have like these cool downloadable boxes. That says download, okay? And then you're able to download like PDFs, what else? Different worksheets that you want to include, spreadsheets, Word documents, things like that. It has the ability to have a help desk. So within my membership site, I can have a help desk where I hire somebody. If somebody in the course has a question, they can contact support and receive immediate help. And it has a little pop-up chat on the side, like, oh, do you have any questions? So that's what's pretty cool. The other thing is I like to, what I mentioned up here is I like to have a section under each lesson where people can comment and say like, oh, well, I didn't understand this, or can you like further expand on this? I like this because your students are giving you feedback basically on how you can improve your course. So all these elements are really important for you to have. So I like to be able to give people, downloads, PDFs, make sure I'm able to link people to a link if they need to go look at that resources. So a download box. So all this cool stuff, okay? And the platform I use, Kartra, it also has different themes that I could use on this. So I could have like different looks of it, different fonts, different colors, that type of thing. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so step 4 is the fun part, which is creation. So now you have all the hard work out of the way. Now it's time to create the content, and you got to make sure you have the right tools. So I use a platform called Snagit for screen share and Camtasia to do tutorials. Oops. And let's say maybe you're talking more face to face and you're doing like mindset, law of attraction type stuff, and you're talking more to the customer, not really showing them something technical. Maybe you need a nicer video camera to do this. And for your downloads and PDFs, maybe it's worthwhile to get like Microsoft Office to make sure you have those tools. Okay, so that step 4 is creation. So once you're done creating the content, now you've got to think about traffic. How are you going to get traffic to your new course? You also have to think about maybe down the line incorporating affiliates for your course, because that is a win-win for everybody involved. So, you also have to think about paid advertising. Are you going to run ads to your product? Facebook ads, Google, YouTube ads, maybe a webinar. So these are all important things to consider when you're doing a product launch. That's kind of a different topic, but you have to know how you're going to drive traffic. So maybe you have a big Instagram following, with tens of thousands of followers, and you're able to promote it on your Instagram. and give people a special discount code for being an early bird and that type of thing. So, that is pretty much the 5 steps that I went through to launch my course, and it's pretty exciting. The course that I have is starting to make more and more sales, and it's my very first course, and I love it because it's my first. There's always room to improve, but the reason why I say make thousands of dollars is because I just crossed that threshold. I think I'm almost at a couple thousand now. So that's pretty exciting to have that under my belt, that I'm able to make thousands of dollars per month with my digital course and membership site. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope you're able to implement it into your business one day. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it so much. Leave me a comment below with any questions you have. If you guys are interested in my free training that goes more in depth about this topic and a couple other topics, go ahead and check out the second link in the description. It's called Limitless Traffic Academy. I think you guys would enjoy it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so I can see you on the next video. You guys have been great. I hope you have a great day. Take care.